This video is sponsored by Polygens. Hello guys, it is I, Zyapguy. Today, I'll be talking about the types of programmers that people just hate. Let's start, shall we? Hey, before we start, like and subscribe and join the Discord for 2 billion Stack Overflow reputation. Okay, thanks, bye. The arrogant. We all know someone who's extremely arrogant, and arrogant people make me really mad. But arrogant programmers? They make my blood boil. Oh, what a fine day to be such a masterful programmer. If only people could reach my levels of highness, they should call me royal. Well, now that I've finished this Python class, I guess I can write some new thing, maybe an AI, maybe a new social platform. I mean, I know everything now. I can print things, I can check things, I can set variables. There is nothing I cannot do. I'm a god. The way too humble. As I just said, being arrogant is terrible. But when programmers don't realize their own skill and think of themselves as lower than they are, it makes them sound like they're just being cocky. Well, I just read through the entire Linux kernel and, well, I couldn't understand a tiny piece of code, but why did I not understand that code? I mean, yes, all the other parts I understood just fine and I know them perfectly well now, but that one part, why couldn't I understand it? I'm such a terrible programmer. I will never be as good as these guys. Now we have the actually. We sometimes make small mistakes. For example, when we try to compile C++ code with GCC, or when we say iPhone X instead of iPhone 10. This is the type of programmer that corrects you even if the mistake is so minute that literally no one thought there was something wrong with it. Hey dude, could you help me with this code? I'm just gonna try to write something.
Yeah, what is it that you're trying to write?
Yeah, I just wanna make something that calculates my grades. So I'm just gonna start coding and tell me if I make a mistake. But obviously, if I make a small mistake, don't correct me on everything.
Okay.
So let's just start with.
Wait.
What?
Actually, well, the thing you're doing right now is you forgot the parentheses. But this is Python 3 you're writing, but you're trying to write with Python 2 syntax. I mean, that's such a big error. Your code won't compile, and I just don't understand how you could try making something like this without knowing the simplest facts about programming.
Dude, it's fine. I can just add a parenthesis.
No. You're gonna listen to me. You're doing it wrong, and I'm the best, so you're gonna learn from me. So actually, you shouldn't be programming at all.
Hey, before I continue on with the next type, I quickly want to talk about this video's sponsor, Polygens. Polygens is an online research academy that is dedicated to students looking for one-on-one mentorship from the top academics and the top practitioners. It is a great way for high schoolers to choose a topic of their interest with a mentor who is an expert in the field. In my opinion, one of the greatest things that someone made with the help of Polygens is a web app that gamifies algorithm learning. A 17-year-old made an app that makes learning software algorithms fun and exciting. He made the app with help from his mentor, and I just think it's so cool how even as a middle schooler or a high schooler, you can work with people who are top-tier mentors and create amazing things. Use the opportunity to work with your mentors to turn your dream projects from idea to reality. And one more great thing. If you use my link below, you can get $250 off your Polygens program. Get paired with an expert mentor in your industry of choice to make your passion project a reality. Now, let's continue on with the video. This next type I've seen a lot of lately. Hey, I don't know anything about anything, but I'm still gonna give my opinion and claim it as fact, even though nothing I say is factual and my information is only gathered from Zyapguy videos. I love it when people begin programming and know nothing, because it is so satisfying to see them grow as developers and get better and better at something that they used to suck at. But when they start acting like they're absolute professionals while they can't even write a Hello World program in Python, that is when people start to hate them.
Well, I guess this is it for my program. It looks great.
Hey man, I just wanted to talk to you about your LinkedIn profile.
Yes, what's wrong with it?
Well, you've written senior Python developer, and look, man, I don't want to be that guy, but I really don't think you're at that level yet, let alone at any level yet.
What do you mean? I'm a great developer. You just don't know, you're just jealous. I know so much, you know nothing. You can never be like me. This is the most amount of jealousy I've ever seen in my life.
Look, man, get yourself straight. Come on, like, look at this code. This is your code, right?
No. Well, I guess this isn't for my program.
Well then, write a Hello World program. Come on.
Shut up, just because you're not as good as me, you're just being jealous. Shut up, I'm better than everyone, I'm a senior developer.
The final type of programmer people hate is the ancient programmer. Sometimes the old ways are better. But oh boy, there are a lot of situations where that is not the case. Hello guys, welcome to Programming in C with Zayap Guy. Today we will be writing C++. But let's go. Yeah, as I said, my PC is a bit slow, but you don't need a fast PC for programming. It's up, okay, it started. Okay, so first of all, what you wanna do is, it appears my computer has stopped working. Okay, I can now write. So, first of all, oops, it appears my keyboard is broken and it's not writing. Okay, it works now. Hashtag include. Now, as I was saying, this you won't have this problem. Okay, let me include iOS. Sorry guys, my PC is a bit slow. We have int main, and as I was saying, like it's important for you to have at least you don't have to have a fast PC to program, and yeah. So then you will, as I was saying, you need. I think my system just crashed, guys. Anyways, see you all next video. Bye. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like. If you really liked it, please subscribe. Join the Discord down below, and I will see you all later. Zayap Guy out.